Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Pooja. And it's been a long time since I uploaded anything, but today I'm back, as you can see, again in this beauty with this beauty of nature for you. So today again, I'm in my struggling phase, you all guys knows about that. So I'm again going to my destination, but the process, to reach that destination, the process is beautiful. So I enjoy this being in nature, and it's blessing. What about you guys? What you are doing these days? And okay, there is monkey, and I'm afraid of him because it's quite okay. I hope everything will be okay. Yes. So see these stairs. It's beautiful, really. And yes. So you might be thinking where I was all these days. So guys, I had my exams, but now they are not, because due to elections. So yes, I was talking about my exams, that where I was all these days. So I had my exams, but they got postponed due to elections. So that was the reason I was not on my channel. Regular on my channel. I think it's been a week since I posted anything. But now I will try to be regular, and I'll try to show you this beautiful nature every single day. And it's about to sunset. And yes, see you there. So beautiful. This is Tana Mata temple, guys. Take blessing of Mata Rani. And I'm not going today inside the temple due to some reason. So take blessing from outside. And be thankful later for me. And see these tiny seeds. Oi, where are those tiny seeds? Now they have grown up. See, I have mentioned in one of my videos about these, when they were tiny seeds, baby seeds. Now they have grown up in a big seed. And this is the view. And see you later, guys. Oh my goodness, look at the beauty, and it's already sunset. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm done. Now we are going back to our room.
दिल का ये क्या राज है, जाने क्या कर गए, जैसे अंधेरों में तुम चांदनी भर गए।
This was it for this video, guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing, and keep smiling in your life. And yes, bye bye.